Your Substack's name is its first impression, and knowing how to change it is key to evolving your brand. Let's dive into how you can easily update your Substack header name to better reflect your content and audience. First, log into your Substack account once you're in. Look for the Settings or Dashboard section. This is usually represented by a gear icon or a menu labeled Settings. Within your settings, navigate to the section that manages your publication's core information. This might be called Publication Settings, Profile, or Publication Details. Here, you'll find a field specifically for your publication's name. This is the text that appears at the very top of your Substack, acting as your main header. Click directly into this field and delete the existing name then. Carefully type in your new, desired publication name. Take a moment to ensure it's exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've entered your new name, scroll down to find the Save Changes button. It's crucial to click this to apply your update. And just like that, your Substack's header name has been successfully updated. Your readers will now see your fresh, refined branding on your publication's homepage, making your content even more impactful. Keeping your Substack's identity current has never been simpler. Happy publishing!